Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Have a brilliant idea for a video but no camera, no actors and absolutely no editing skills. Don't worry, you can now bring your creative concept to life without filming a single second or even writing a full script yourself. Thanks to Wondershare Filmora. Turning an idea into a complete video is now effortless with the help of AI. This tool lets you go from rough thoughts to a published video all within minutes. How to create a video using Filmora's AI idea to video tool. So link is available in the video description, so let's dive in. Once you install the Filmora and launch it, here you can see we have different features. Head over to Toolbox tab and locate it in the top menu bar. This section is packed with advanced features like audio to video, image to video, smart cut and more. But today we are focusing on audio to video feature. Once inside the toolbox, look for this option and now describe your video concept. You can write a short summary of a full storyline, whatever you have in mind. Then set your idea preference including length, language and style like realistic, anime, cartoon and more. Filmora will automatically generate a detailed script and break it into scenes. You will see something like 6 scenes layout, each representing a moment in your story. Review each one and make edit if needed. After that, it's time to add image to each scene. You can upload your own visuals or let Filmora's AI create them. After that, add a character to your story. You can upload a photo or generate one using AI. Just type a description and the tool will generate 2 characters to choose from. Select your favorite one and after your character and scenes are set, move to the setting panel to fine-tune your video. Enable features like audio enhancement, auto subtitles, sound effect and more. Then choose the voiceovers that will narrate your story. And finally hit the generate button. And within seconds your video will be ready according to your prompt.
Lily finds peace in her sunlit room, strumming gentle melodies. As her talent grows, she starts composing heartfelt songs. Lily faces a tough decision about her future. She chooses to pursue music and starts performing locally. Lily discovers the power of staying true to herself. In the end, she finds success and contentment in her music career.
And that's it for today's video. It's very easy to create videos by using idea to video feature. So link is available in the video description and that's it for today's video. I hope you will found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.